what we presented at TERMIS this year is the concept that MedAce uses to support startups and academic groups who are active in the field of regenerative medicine. And what we've noticed is that a lot of these innovations don't reach the patient for a number of reasons. One of them is that the development trajectory is quite complex and quite diverse, requires significant investment in time and resources. And what MedAce offers is a fully certified clean room and research and development facility where startups or academic groups can actually bring their proven concept and develop it further so that you end up with a fully certified clinical safe product that can be used in clinical trials. So we do that on the one hand by offering the facilities that I just mentioned, but also support in the quality and regulatory trajectories that are needed, and that often startups or academic groups lack the knowledge and the experience on how to handle those pathways.